Alright, y'all, what's going on, everybody? Hope everybody had a good day so far. But got a couple issues going on with the car, man, so I'm gonna update y'all with the car real quick. So if you just watched my last video, me and Jose, we changed the rotors and the brakes on the 200, front and back. Now, and I noticed I literally have to push my pedal all the way down to the floor to get any amount of brake, you know, any for the car to stop. What I'm gonna have to do is, I'm heading to Jose's house right now. I'm gonna go buy some more brake fluid, and what we gonna do is we gonna pull off the caliper on the back. We gonna replace it, and we gonna flush the whole brake system. So we're gonna bleed it all out, get all the air out the system, and then we're going to refill it up, hopefully pump the brakes again, and everything gonna be all right. So I'll see y'all when we get to Jose's house, man. Man, we here at Jose's house. Ooh, look like they got a Lexus they working on. What's going on here? Ooh, dang. Missing the intake over here. Damn. Oh, y'all just swapping the filter? Look at Jose outside, man. How's it going, everybody? Yo, this nice, bro. Who car is this? Oh, you fixing the Arab's car too now? Nah, I'm not fixing it. Oh, they just needed a filter change? Nah. What happened?
I gotta put on the lights, but it's a little bit more difficult than what I thought. So
headlights?
Daytime running lights.
Oh. Oh, you know cars like this, the whole bumper gotta come off. You can't just pull them in from right here. That's what you was trying to. That's what you was trying to do.
You can. I just gotta take this little pin.
Oh. So. That's gonna. Oh, I got my wrench kit. If you want to do that, then. Okay. All right. Cool. All right. So we about to move the cars real quick because I got to put my car up into the driveway. So y'all see that SI back there, man, looking real sexy. It's clean. Ooh, the SI clean too, bro. It's clean. You washed it? Oh, it's just the rain? You know the rain always make cars look good. Mine still, look how dirty mine look though. Oh, that's nasty. All right, let's get it, man. All right, so I'm gonna start. Jose just went to the store. I'm gonna start off taking this tire off because I'm pretty sure this is the caliper that's bad. So let's take this caliper. Now we gotta remove basically everything. We gotta remove the rotor. We gotta remove the caliper, the brakes, and everything. Cause we're gonna replace it with the new one. So let's get to it real quick, y'all. Both rear tires taken off so far. So now we just gotta do. We're gonna swap out the caliper real quick first, as y'all see Jose already doing. That clip right there. It look like it's just. Oh no, it's just a push. See that pin right there on the top? You push it and pull it.
Push it and pull it?
Yeah, push it and pull it up. It look like you push it down like pulling it. I got you. This is what we gotta change, y'all. Yo, don't be drilling my gloves too, man. They work. That's all that matters. So let me try to open this. So this is the new caliper right here. Brand spanking new bracket and new piston and everything. So there you go. Damn, it look a little bigger, or is it just me?
It came with the bracket, that's why.
That's why? Okay.
Yeah, you see me with that.
Yep. Man, I know that. Damn, bro. Come on, you tell me we ain't got the right size?
Fucking American cars. This is definitely gonna work.
I think you tighten it. Yeah, they tighten it.
Take that out the video. Take that out the video.
Alright, you ready? Ooh. Little leakage. Oh, you should have the gloves then. You doing all the... There you go. That's it. Alright, there y'all go, man. That's the old caliper. Look at that. That's how you know this went bad. Look at the seal. And literally, if I... See how you hear that? Yeah, this piston's done. Alright, new caliper and bracket going on, I guess, since we couldn't get the old one off. So
I mean, we got the old one off. We couldn't get the new one off of this. So
off of this one.
We're making excuses.
Alright.
You want me to hold that one?
Yeah. Alright. You got a lie, Craig. Definitely push it in that season. Nah, it's good now. Oh. Oh, thought I could twist it with my hands. I could.
This one.
Junkyards, everything, bro. Nobody was trying to get it for me. Or everybody kept saying tomorrow. They called Auto Parts Plus. It was like an hour.
Yep, that's exactly.
I was like, damn.
If there's a part you can't find in our parts, like most of the time, Parts Plus will have it. And I couldn't think about the name. That's why I'm like, what the fuck was that?
Parts Plus. And it's crazy because I drive by that little spot here and there.
Yeah, and you'll never know.
Never know it's there.
Yeah, you never know it's there.
I didn't know these come in individual pieces. That's what it was.
Yeah, me neither, bro.
I thought it was all one piece.
Yep, that's just like a Civic.
Alright, so we got them.
I love new parts.
New brake. Yeah, right. It look good, all nice and new. Oh yeah, because I gotta test it to the old one. Or I need my honey back. Keep mine. Or hell yeah.
It's my money and I need it now.
I pay for you and your girl, what's the name, tickets? Yeah, Incredibles 2
You know,
tickets.
he couldn't give me the little, what was that?
What?
The giveaway. He didn't give me the giveaway. He gonna pay for my movies. And I'm over here trying to win the giveaway. So whoever won it, you're lucky.
It's already gone.
Yeah, I know.
That thing long gone. Alright. I don't know if y'all can see that, but this is right here. This is how you bleed it. This little thing right here. Get the tool in there. Make sure how it's loose. Alright. Yep. Yeah. Oh shit. I know, hold on. I don't know if it. Oh. Alright, hold on. Alright, go ahead, Paul. Yep.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, go ahead.
Yep. Alright, another 5, go ahead.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, go ahead.
Yep, we good. Go ahead, another 5.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yep, we good. Alright, let me just go on this side and make sure. Tighten up this side too one more time. Just in case.
You tighten this up all the way, bro?
Yep, mm-hmm. I'm just making sure this one's super tight. Alright, we go. right?
Moment of truth, baby.
Moment of truth.
I'm back in this car. I've been in this car a minute, actually.
You can put your seat back. It look like you was squished.
Yeah.
Alright, y'all. So we done with the bleeding process. We changed the caliper, man. Moment of truth with these brakes. Gonna work.
How they feeling already?
It felt good already, though.
And you guys come check out Jose, the other side mechanic, all right?
Word, my man. Come on, man. We working in the shop. Oh yeah, they feel good already, bro. I couldn't do that shit earlier.
Oh shit, you heard that?
I don't know what that was.
I didn't leave my cigarettes. Might have left my phone, but I didn't leave my cigarettes. That's more important.
You got the cigarette's more important than the phone, right?
Yes, it is.
That's crazy.
Christian can't call me on cigarettes.
Oh yeah, they good, bro. Hell yeah, word. Alright, yeah, we cool now.
Alright, what's
damn.
that?
Right there, that's that tire. That tire bad.
Okay.
Yeah, that tire's bad.
Didn't mean to call my boy out. Let's take it down.
Yeah. Damn, bro, it felt good to drive my car normal again. Oh my god. I'm telling you, that 25 miles an hour, 10, 15 on certain streets.
How long? Shit, we started at what, 6?
9, we started after 6. Like I said, we working on the legs first.
Oh yeah.
Probably start around 7. I'm gonna say
That takes
7.
about an
Yeah,
hour.
about an hour and some change. Take all 4 tires off. Bleed all 3. I'm trying to get my car to get some more backfires. If you're doing it now, a little here and there, but
There we go.
yeah, alright, we good, man. They working good. That's all that matters. Damn, son. 2 days without no brakes, man. I'm telling you, that's the worst. Especially when you drive your car a certain way.
Little rev action. Little rev action. That's it? That's it. That's it, guys.
It ain't that loud. Alright, man. Look, it's all done. We changed the calipers out, man. We bleed the system out.
A1 system.
We good, man. That's why you gotta have a friend like Jose, man. Help me out. He ain't charge me no nothing. But you know what? I'm gonna take care of him and Shorty. They going to the movies tonight. I'm paying for their movie. Got to, man. It's only right. But that's it, man. I appreciate y'all for watching this video, man. Hope y'all learned something, because I learned something. I never knew how to bleed out the brakes and stuff, so that was new for me today, and it worked out. So all right, peace out, y'all. Make sure y'all subscribe, man, to the channel, man. Peace out.